Does your car, patio furniture, or bike need a good clean, but you don't want to spend the time and hassle of getting out the pressure washer? With RYOBI's new ONE+ EZClean power washer, simply connect to a hose and you're ready to clean. With 4 times more pressure than a garden hose, this portable washer is ideal to clean on the go, anytime, anywhere. You can connect to any standard hose, but if you don't have a water connection, you can use the included 6-meter siphoning kit to pull from any fresh water source, like a lake or even a bucket. For peace of mind, the battery is protected in an IPX4 water-resistant compartment. The easy-to-use adjustable nozzle means you have 3 different nozzle settings, ideal for a variety of applications. Simply turn here to switch modes. The EZClean power washer's turbo nozzle is strong enough to remove dirt and grime, but gentle enough to ensure no damage to your car's surface. Give plants and flowers just the amount of water they need with the rinsing nozzle. Use the 15-degree fan spray function to lift dirt from surfaces like patio furniture and wash it away, leaving them looking like new. For even more options, there are a variety of accessories that work with your EZClean power washer, sold separately. If you want to bring your water to you, you can use the RAC717 water tank for ultimate portability. For an even more effective clean, apply detergent with the RAC748 detergent nozzle. Use with any RYOBI detergent to leave your surface sparkling clean. The RAC749 wheel brush and RAC750 multi-purpose brush are designed especially for effective car cleaning, so you can get into every nook and cranny to make your car shine. At a picnic and have a spare 2-liter bottle? Simply fill with water, attach to your EZClean by using the RAC751 bottle adapter, and clean away. RYOBI's EZClean power washer is the ultimate in portable, versatile cleaning for a variety of cleaning applications. With cordless convenience, you can use this tool anywhere, anytime to clean on the go. And best of all, it's part of the ONE+ system of great tools for the home and garden. Happy cleaning!